Most container homes don't fail because of rust or a bad foundation. They fail because they violate one fundamental structural rule. Get this one rule wrong, and everything else you did correctly becomes worthless. To understand this rule, you must first understand that a container is not built like a traditional house. It is a semi-monocoque structure. There is no separate internal skeleton. The strength is the skin. The corrugated walls, the roof, and the floor all work together as a single stressed shell to distribute load. When you cut into it, the structure seems stable, but its core engineering has been compromised. The one structural rule is this: never interrupt the load path without creating an equivalent new one. The load path is the invisible highway that forces travel along. In an intact container, loads from the roof and sides flow seamlessly down the corrugated walls to the massive steel rails and corner posts. When you cut an opening, you dynamite that highway. The forces now have a dead end, and they will concentrate at the weakest points, the corners of your cut. An improvised reinforcement, like an undersized steel tube, fails because it doesn't replicate the stiffness of the entire corrugated panel you just removed. It's a patch, not a new path. This mistake is incredibly popular in DIY builds. It happens when builders cut large openings for sliding glass doors or remove entire side panels to join two containers and then trust in a simple, undersized frame or basic welds to fix it. They have treated the container's skin like simple wool cladding, not as the primary structure itself. The failure isn't immediate. It's a slow, progressive deformation. Over months or years, the roof rail above the cut will begin to sag. The floor will feel bouncy. Doors will jam and windows will crack. It is a silent failure that starts the day of the cut and reveals itself long after you think the job is done.
This diagram
The
illustrates the critical
container
load paths
is an
and reinforcements of the
engineered
structural
system
framework.
with one simple rule. If you don't respect the load path, the container will eventually decide for you.